Although the year has only just began, Samsung is already planning the release of its next phone, the Galaxy S24, which is predicted to be one of the most significant phone launches in 2024. The Galaxy Unpacked event is officially slated for Wednesday, January 17th, and will happen at the Samsung Center in San Jose, California, at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Similar to previous Galaxy Unpacked events, you are able to view the event live as it happens on YouTube and Samsung's various channels. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event will take place soon. It's shaping out to be an exciting event, with several leaks involving the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. These new phones will most certainly set the bar for all future launches, but if last year's Galaxy S23 Ultra is any indication, the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra will not disappoint. With each successive release, Samsung appears to be raising the bar. However, its position on our list of the best camera phones could be jeopardized by one important issue about its suspected camera system. Although recent leaks have given us a solid sense of what to expect from Samsung's next release, there is one key unknown factor: whether Samsung will stick with the same 10x optical telephoto lens or swap to a 5x lens. While if Samsung does choose to use a 5x lens, artificial intelligence may be able to increase its optical quality. This Zoom for Galaxy AI function has the ability to match or perhaps surpass the existing optical quality. In terms of artificial intelligence, there's undoubtedly the AI-assisted features will be a major selling point for the Galaxy S24 series. As previously announced, Samsung has some interesting ideas for Galaxy AI in 2024. These ambitions could introduce Samsung's AI technology, which we've seen before in the Pixel 8 Pro. The company is anticipated to release an AI picture generator, as well as AI-powered photo and video editing tools. We hope, however, that these AI features will not be restricted behind a fee wall. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are said to boast improved Super AMOLED panels at peak brightness of up to 2600 nits and metal frames. They'll both have triple cameras, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is going to have a bigger battery. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU is slated to power all three phones. Some international models, however, may come with the Exynos 2400 chip instead. Prior to Galaxy Unpacked 2024, Samsung is providing an early pre-order bargain for its future smartphones. If you want to buy these phones, you may reserve them on Samsung's website or through the Samsung shop until the January 16th and receive a $50 reserve credit. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.